Good morning, one and all. Before I begin, when Honorable Mr. Justice Dhulia was referring to the old song Yadon Ki Barat and Sher by Ghalib, I was reminded of your outstanding judgment on Urdu language, sir. And much needed in today's time, and all Allahabadis are very thankful to you. Thank you. A big round of applause for that. It is indeed an honor for me to be here today to speak about someone whom we Allahabadis lovingly address as Vikram Dada or Vikram Bhaiya. A Josephite, Honorable Mr. Justice Vikram Nath, Judge, Supreme Court of India. He belongs to a family of lawyers from this holy city of Allahabad, now known as Prayagraj. His grandfather, Babu Maheshwari Prasad, started practice in the Sessions Court of Allahabad in 1900 and practiced till his passing away in 1959 and was one of the leading Sessions trial lawyers. Babu Amarnath, the eldest Kauji of Mr. Justice Vikram Nath, was a leading civil side lawyer of the district courts at Allahabad, who practiced till 1970. Shri Devendra Nath, the father of Justice Vikram Nath, started practicing in 1959 and became the District Government Counsel for the Board of Revenue, which office he held for 25 long years till his retirement. Even thereafter, he continued to practice on the revenue side till 2008. The eldest son of Shri Devendra Nath, advocate, and Srimati Shashi Srivastava, MA, and a homemaker, Honorable Mr. Justice Vikram Nath was born on 24th September 1962. He did his schooling from this institution, St. Joseph's College, Prayagraj, and passed out in the year 1981. After doing his graduation in BSc from Allahabad University in the year 1983, he joined Shia PG College, University of Lucknow, from where he completed LLB in the year 1986. Justice Vikram Nath got enrolled as an advocate with the Bar Council of Uttar Pradesh on 30th March 1987 and started his career in the district courts of Allahabad on the revenues and civil side, and later shifted his practice to the Allahabad High Court from 1st January 1988, where he practiced on the civil, constitutional and revenue side and continued to do so till his birthday on 24th September 2004, as on the same day, ladies and gentlemen, at the young age of 42, he was elevated as a judge of the Allahabad High Court. Justice Vikram Nath headed the Lucknow bench of the Allahabad High Court as a senior judge from 24 July 2017 till mid-February 2019. On 10 September 2019, he took oath as the Chief Justice of Gujarat High Court, where he continued for a period of 2 years. Always ahead of his time, during his tenure as the Chief Justice of Gujarat High Court, he initiated several technology-based applications for the benefit of the lawyers, litigants, and the registry at large, like email filing, e-filing, online mentioning platforms, email notification updates for the whole cycle of the case, email notification services to judicial officers, email my case status service, live display board on YouTube, official Telegram channel, e-Seva Kendra at High Court, e-filing of bail, parole, furlough applications from the jail, etc. During the challenging times of COVID-19, he successfully steered the entire judicial system of the state of Gujarat by shifting it to a complete virtual mode with facilities for paperless online filing, as a pilot project in spirit with the judgment of the Supreme Court in the case of Swapnil Tripathi versus Supreme Court of India 2018 to SCC 639, the court proceedings of the first Court of Chief Justice went live on YouTube with effect from 26th October 2020. Later on, after framing the live streaming rules, all the courts of the Gujarat High Court went live on YouTube from 17 July 2021 after the same was inaugurated by the then Honorable Chief Justice of India, Justice N.V. Ramana. The Gujarat High Court, under your leadership, became the first High Court in the country which went live. As a judge, Honorable Justice Vikram Nath has delivered a plethora of judgments in various areas of law like civil, criminal, constitutional, revenue, election, taxation, service, environmental, etc. Honorable Mr. Justice Vikram Nath was elevated as a judge of the Supreme Court of India on 31st August 2021. Justice Vikram Nath is a keen sportsman and plays badminton, table tennis, billiards, cricket, carom and chess. I am told by an old SJC boy, who happens to be my husband, that Honorable Justice Vikram Nath was in the college cricket team and used to open for his team. In one of the matches with Boys High School, Justice Vikram Nath batted and scored a 4, a 4 and a 6 in the opening over itself, which made his team win the match with a thumping margin. Sir, I'm sure you remember. Honorable Mr. Justice Vikram Nath is known for his optimistic outlook and devotion towards work, who deals with challenges inside and outside of his courtroom with poise and calm. He engages with his peers, juniors, and all those who work with him in such a way which brings out the best in everyone. He always insists on teamwork, be it running the judiciary or washing his fleet of cars as a lawyer. He never misses out on the little pleasures of life and can cook finger-licking mutton too. Sir, you are not only respected but adored and loved by one and all. Justice Vikram Nath is married to Professor Sangeeta Srivastava, presently serving as Vice Chancellor of University of Allahabad. She is stunning to look at now and has won the beauty pageants in her maiden days. You both make an ideal couple together, and I do recall how much effort you both have put in to raise and strengthen the Old Boys Association of SJC. Mr. Justice Vikram Nath and Professor Sangeeta Srivastava are blessed with 2 sons, Vishwesh and Bharat. Both are Josephites too and are married now. Elder son Vishwesh is working in USA after completing his doctorate in artificial intelligence coupled with medical imaging. Younger son Bharat has taken up the family profession and is practicing at Allahabad High Court. A wizard of mathematics and physics, Honorable Justice Vikram Nath is truly born to create history and set a sterling example for not only the Josephites but for the entire judicial fraternity. Words fall short for you, sir. And so, please forgive me if I missed out on anything. The SJC family will always be proud of you. Please put your hands together.